Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by doing just two essential things. Confirm the selector is in P and plant your foot on the brake. Once done, make sure the smart key is inside the cabin, pocket, or dashboard is fine, and that the fob battery isn't dead. Now, press and hold the brake pedal. This tells the car the driver intends to move and unlocks the start circuit. Do not try to crank with the gear away from P. The system will prevent it. With your foot on the brake, press the engine start/stop button firmly once and release. You'll feel a click. You should see the instrument cluster wake up, the fuel and engine indicators cycle, and the infotainment systems boot. Give the systems 2 to 5 seconds to initialize. This is normal. If you do not hear the engine, keep holding the brake and press the button again briefly. Avoid pressing the accelerator while starting. The ECU, once the engine is running steadily, release the parking brake only when ready and shift from P to D while keeping your foot on the brake. This prevents unintended roll. If the engine fails to start, first verify the key fob battery and that the gear is in P. Next, confirm you are fully depressing the brake switch. Sometimes it needs a firmer press. If problems persist, look for immobilizer or dashboard fault icons, use hazard lights if stranded, and contact service for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.